Beast Blender Review 2026. Don't waste your money. Are you tired of using blenders that can't handle tough ingredients? Do you struggle with uneven blending and messy cleanups? If so, then keep watching because I'm about to reveal a game changer for home cooks like you. For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Beast Blender. Its insane power and versatility make it a top contender in the market. Therefore, I'll be digging deep into its features and testing its performance in this review to see if it lives up to its promises. The Beast Blender is not just another blender on the market, it's designed for serious home cooks who want results. With a 5-speed motor and a powerful blade system, it can handle even the toughest ingredients like ice, frozen fruits, and leafy greens with ease. But what really sets the Beast Blender apart is its sleek design and durable construction. Therefore, I'll be putting it through a rigorous testing process to see how well it holds up in real-world use. So let's dive into the details of this beast of a blender. What can you expect from its performance testing? I put the Beast Blender through a series of tests to see how well it handled various ingredients and tasks. Here are my results. Blending. The Beast Blender handled tough ingredients like frozen fruits and leafy greens with ease, producing smooth and consistent blends every time. Crushing. It crushed ice cubes in under 10 seconds, which is impressive considering its relatively low price point. Cleaning. The Beast Blender's design made it a breeze to clean, with all removable parts being dishwasher safe. But don't just take my word for it, let's talk about the Beast Blender's specs and what makes it tick. Specs. 5-speed motor. Powerful blade system. Stainless steel blades. BPA-free pitcher. Compact design. There you have it, folks. The Beast Blender is not just another blender on the market, it's a serious contender that packs a punch. But is it worth the investment? Pros and cons. Here are my thoughts on the Beast Blender's pros and cons. Pros. Powerful motor and blade system. Versatile design for various tasks. Durable construction and easy cleaning. Cons. Expensive compared to other blenders in its class. Some users may find it bulky. Therefore, I'll be weighing these points against its performance and value to give you a final verdict. Performance versus price. Considering the Beast Blender's impressive specs and performance, is it worth the investment? In my opinion, yes, but only if you're serious about cooking and want results that last. Here are some alternatives on Amazon for those who don't want to break the bank. Insert links to similar products. But remember, folks, when it comes to a product like this, you get what you pay for. The Beast Blender is an investment in your cooking skills and a game changer for home cooks like you. Conclusion. So there you have it, my take on the Beast Blender. If you're serious about cooking and want results that last, then I highly recommend giving it a try. For the best price, click the link in the description.